Hello children, we have finished all that techniques of the pen, white pen that I taught you previous. So today we are going to do some object drawing, okay? So we will make a lotus flower with white pen giving the effect in that flower, okay? So let's start with the pencil. Drawing of lotus. See, first petal normal like a leaf, okay, then from here this, from here like this, so this one we have drawn big, okay. Now another we will draw here small one. Okay, see, now we will do outline with the white pen, okay. Those who have white pen I am showing for them. After that, for the glass pencil, those who have children glass pencil, for them I will show with the glass pencil, okay. Now let's start outlining of this. First you have to erase it very lightly, then you have to do outline with the white pen. See children, we done our outline with the bold, okay. Now what you have to do, see, with the single pen you have to draw lines understood, like this according to the shape. Like this you have to do the whole picture, not in the stem, okay. See, like this you have to do lines, okay, not in the stem. Same we will do in this. See, we done it this also, okay. Next, what you have to do with the light, you can make water, but don't do inside the stem. See, like this. Okay children, now same we will do with glass pencil. See, I drawn with the pencil. Now I will do thick outline with the glass pencil. Okay. See, we done outline with our glass pencil. Now same we will do lines according to our shape. Like this you have to do in whole lotus, don't do in the stem. Okay children. See, we done it. Now same we will make water. See, we done it. This is with the pen and this is with the glass pencil. But children, your topic is like lotus flower only. Either you can make like this, either you can make another lotus flower that you like to make it. Okay? Thank you.